Nikki, where you at? We're in Queens. 2-inch platforms and I'm still taller than you barefoot, babe. Stop playing. What's up, vlog? It's another weekend vlog. We're about to go to Little Italy. It's like a little carnival going on right there, but I'm late, so I'm about to head out right now. So you'll see all the girls and let's just get straight to it. How does it feel to be late? How does it feel to be late? Because we didn't have directions. You want to say hi? What took you so long?
I don't know. I got back.
That seems suspicious.
We was there, so I was like, I really have to go. But she started talking about her dance. Okay.
We're outside. Camille, do you want to take over the vlog? Camille.
You could be like, we're walking.
Camille, do you want to take over the vlog?
Sure.
So fucking
No.
That's just how I laugh. She's bullying me. I'm gonna report her. My name's Camille. No, everyone knows. No, Jada. You gotta get the angle. Hi guys, I'm Jada. This is Layla. You know Layla. Mckinlee. We're going to Little Italy. Okay. Do better, Camille. We're just like, oh. We're in Chinatown. I don't feel like I need these angles because I'm actually naturally tall, and like some of these people talking here. Yeah, short asses. But anyways, 2-inch platforms and I'm still taller than you barefoot, babe. Stop playing. Anyways, even taller. This girl gotta take an elevator just to get to my level. Stop playing. Okay. Yeah. We're walking across the street. There's lights. They're getting more on my forehead. But they're pretty lights. Let's talk to you when we actually get there.
Straight up. Cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out.
We made it. You guys want to get rice? You want to get rice balls or the other one first? Oops, sorry. Excuse me. It's both. Where'd Camille go?
They'll be right there. To your left.
Oh, I see them.
Let's hold hands now, y'all.
Right? You made it. It's cute. What's up, y'all? It's Saturday, September 24th, and if I look tired, it's literally because I am. It's 8 a.m. We're supposed to be going thrifting this morning. We want to get it done in the morning because we all have so much work that we have to do. Meeting the girls at the train station. I literally basically have on the same fit as yesterday. I don't even know if I showed you guys my fit from yesterday, but I just have on this Essentials hoodie. I really need to buy me some more because these are all the only things I wear. And I have on some Essential sweatpants, and I just have on the same shoes from yesterday. It's really giving the same vibes. So yeah, we're about to head there now. I am so tired. Yeah, I think she didn't order 7-Up. Who ordered the 7-Up? Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Are you the new Amaya? Huh? Are you the new Amaya? Don't jinx me like that.
She literally lost her ID and this random man came and found it and gave it to us. How did that happen?
Let's focus on other things. What's in my pocket? Okay, you're next.
Sorry. Hi. She dropped her ID and a random man came in and gave it to us.
I'm dead.
That would have been bad.
No, we're like the only ones walking, so he's like,
yeah.
Are we eating here?
I mean, might as well. It's like a quick.
Okay. What she said?
She said there doesn't look like a line.
Where?
At the facility or whatever. Actually, caffeine. Oh, it's caffeine free. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Green tea has caffeine in it.
Oh. Well, definitely doesn't make me more alert.
I just worked. She probably just got there. We're in Queens.
I always feel good when I go to the long car. But look at me supporting this family.
Nikki, where you at? Where you at, Nikki? We in Queens.
Stop at Jamaica Queen. She's here too.
Yeah, we went. What if we see her?
Girl, she's not gonna be over here.
Not on the 47.
She better call and say Boogie.
She's not popping up to A Boogie.
That would be crazy.
Bro. Oh, it's right here. It's not even labeled good. Don't we want a cart? I'm getting a cart. Oh, no cart. Interesting. It's not even crowded. Why can't we use carts?
You say you can't?
No, he said we can't use carts.
Oh.
How often do they restock it?
Hour.
But like obviously there's not all the bins out right now, so it's probably still missing.
Oh yeah. It
It is empty.
Damn.
But we'll update you at the end.
Yeah. This is what it looks like. They're finally bringing out more bins. Let's manifest the good stuff in here. Hey vlog. As you can see, I'm back in my room. Came back from thrifting not too long ago, and then we went to the dining hall just to get some grub. But it's 1 o'clock and it's Saturday. I want to show you guys what I got from the thrift. My room is a complete mess, so for the rest of the day it's going to be a study. We'll do work, do a little bit of content, plan out my content, and definitely do laundry and just give this place a good cleaning because it definitely needs it. And then later on we're going out tonight. We're going to see a Boogie, hopefully. Well, we paid our money, so we better go see a Boogie. We're going to the club, so it's gonna be fun. I think we're like 2 of my friends that aren't going to a Boogie are still coming to my dorm first, and we're just gonna pregame, you know, have fun before we head out for the night. But foreplay, you know, it's work. So I have a good, I'm gonna say a good 9 hours. Since it's 1, I probably won't start getting ready to like 10 because I want to leave by like 11. So I got a good 9 hours to get majority of my work done and clean up and all that fun stuff. So let's get into it. Let me show you guys what I got though. All my thrifted stuff I'm gonna wash by itself. First things first, I did get these. Lighting isn't as good, but you guys can see me a little bit better. New tags, slacks. I got some more like kind of dressier pants. They're from Zara. They're Zara Basic. Next I got this Under Armour shirt. It just looks like this. Just this Under Armour shirt, y'all. Then I got another like business casual shirt, some socks, some Fabletics shorts, some cotton on garments, sweatpants, Nike sports bra, olive green hoodie. This is another cotton on garments. I got this ASOS top. And then I got this cute scarf. And then I got a bunch of like khakis. These are J. Crew. I think I can make them work. And then I got another pair. These are Old Navy. And then this darker wash. It's like a brownish color. Oh, and then I got this super cute Abercrombie & Fitch bodysuit, but it's a really good thick material. And then I found this cute distressed sweater. It has stars on the back. I don't know. I just thought this was cute with some skinny jeans. Oh, and then I picked up this really cute Zara dress. Lastly, I picked up this button down. I'm just gonna throw it over like a layering piece. That was the end of this haul. Now let's do laundry. Why not? I really need to stretch out my hip because we've been doing a lot of walking, and your girl hip is 10.
It go Holly Berry. Make your boys and tell me what you do. Everybody don't expect the shoe, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
I have so much more laundry. I still have this much laundry to do. It's a laundry day. College life. Hopefully not many people are doing laundry right now. I mean, it's the middle of a Saturday, but all my friends have the same idea of doing laundry. But we don't live in the same building, but I'm just thinking, does everybody have that idea of doing laundry right now? I hear the laundry business going. Ooh. Well, not everybody has the same idea. It's like 5 and 7 minute ones, so I think I'm just gonna wait, pull their stuff out, and use it, because I need my laundry done too, guys.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers for my beat. We don't want no peace. Gotta spread it close back.
Okay, so I just put the thrifted stuff in. Now I'm about to go upstairs and get the rest of my dirty clothes. Ooh.
My under eye doesn't look dark, does it? No.
What's up, vlog? We're about to go see Aboogie with the hoodie. Yeah. Okay, outfit check.
Oh, go first. Oh, okay. This is from Azika. All of this shit is from Shein. This is from Shein. The hair is not from Shein. The glasses is from Shein. Okay. The socks is from Kendrick Lamar, big stepper. And the shoes will be from Steve Madden.
The shoes are Christian Siriano. The dress is Macy's. And sunglasses are Mckinley's.
And the badge body is all her.
Dresses from Dresses from AliExpress. Glasses AliExpress, and then the boots are gonna be from AliExpress too. Yeah, we're ready to leave though. We might take pictures and I might do a little recording on my phone, but bye.
Say my name, if no one is around you. Say baby I love you, you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
Oh my gosh, I look crazy. What's up guys? It's Sunday now. Last night was crazy. We did in fact see Aboogie. He took my phone and I went crazy because Aboogie, duh. Good morning. Now it's like 11. I'm about to head to the library all day. So fun. But first I'm gonna have to get me some breakfast. My feet hurt so bad. My heel did end up breaking, but it was worth it. And this girl poured juice on my hair because she was trying to see Aboogie so bad.
Patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty.